Temperatures out there today. Boy, what a change. And the deeper the shade, you get into the purple. It was downright dramatic. 17 degrees cooler for the city, 14 degrees cooler in Palo Alto. Hayward, you dropped 12. I did this at the top of the newscast, but I've got so many other communities on here that I can tell this story with. Petaluma, 13 degrees cooler today. This did help, by the way, in wine country. We were covering that fire that was burning up near Highway 121. It was pretty much right along the boundary of Napa and Sonoma County. Forward progress on that has pretty much completely stopped, and the weather helped. It's a very strong onshore flow today. This is exactly what you would want to see on a day, except for the stronger winds. But the increased humidity is really what the landscape needed, and that's just what the doctor ordered there. And the winds, thankfully, were not too troubling. Current number is still warm, though, if you get into those inland valleys of the East Bay. It's 91 degrees still. In Concord, Livermore, it's 88, but Oakland, it's only 70. San Francisco, you're back in the 60s. And San Jose, we got you into the mid-80s. So a noticeable change for everybody. Big picture view, I don't want to belabor this too much. I know I've been talking about the smoke coming off of these fires way down in the southern Sierra. I mean, we're way up here. You're seeing the marine layer off the coast, but you can't help but notice the huge plumes of smoke coming off these fires. The one that's gotten all the attention, the KNP complex, that's the one that had been burning just outside the perimeter of the giant forest in Sequoia National Park. General Sherman, biggest tree on the planet, all of that. And it's been good news there. The fire hasn't really done a whole lot of damage in giant forest. But the fire to the south of it, and you probably not have heard the name much, the Windy Fire, that one's really running today. And there are a lot of sequoia groves down there. And with what happened last year, losing an entire 10% of all of the giant sequoia groves, the Windy Fire is now a big concern for that. So we'll let you know how that plays out, but that's a name to keep in mind if you care about those kinds of things. There's the smoke plume coming off both those fires, but I need to draw your attention to this one. The Caldor fire is not done. It's not threatening South Lake Tahoe at this point, but on the southern perimeter of that fire, away from Myers, away from South Lake, that fire has started to grow a bit, and it's putting more smoke into the sky. So as we get into Thursday and Friday, the upper levels of the atmosphere are going to be able to tap into the fires near Sequoia and the Caldor fire. So it doesn't look like it'll be a major smoke inundation, but just know going into Thursday and Friday, we should just be aware air quality could go downhill. We'll let you know how that plays out. We're much better with that stuff when we get within about a 24-hour window. So let's give that another, 12 hours or so, and we'll see how that's going to come together. Depends on how the fires are doing. Mid-50s for morning lows tomorrow. Let's get everybody's daytime highs in. Everybody gets a little warmer tomorrow. We did the cool down today. Tomorrow we're going back up a bit. So we'll be near 90 for much of the South Bay. A lot of mid-80s here, too. Mountain View, you're going to 84. We'll be back in the upper 90s here. So where it was low 90s for the inland valleys of the East Bay today, you got to go back upper 90s tomorrow. But this will be the top. You'll start cooling back down in the 7-day forecast. You'll see that in 1 second. Temperatures back in the Bay look pretty good. Those are pretty much on the mark for this time of year. Santa Rosa, you're only going to 88. It'll be in the same category for Napa and Sonoma, and there are some upper 90s for Ukiah. So San Francisco, Oakland, and San Jose up first. Notice the cooling trend towards the weekend. San Jose, mid-70s by early next week. And if we look at the microclimates for those inland valleys of the East Bay, there are some of your warmer numbers. But we get you back down even to the upper 70s by Tuesday of next week. And that middle line there are the valleys of the North Bay, a little bit cooler. Okay, guys, back over to you.
Darren, thanks.